Hi guys, I am back here again and I have something very special to show you which we have specially curated for the Women's Day. I have here this beautiful dainty bracelet. You can see I'm also wearing a bracelet, the same one. It has a pink ribbon charm which is made of pure silver. The chain is pure silver and it has real freshwater beautiful white pearls. Now you can wear this pearl bracelet with this charm as it is. This charm is removable, and if you want to remove this charm, you can remove this. You can wear this bracelet as it is. Now I have another thing to show you. If you want to wear that charm in your chain, even you can pin it to your clothes somewhere. So now this becomes your beautiful this way. This becomes a beautiful nice pink ribbon charm necklace. And this bracelet can be worn as it is, or if you have any other charms that you would like to add, please feel free to do that. We are having a special on this bracelet at the moment. This charm is pure silver. It's worth $13.99. So any women that you know in your life who you want to support, who have gone through breast cancer or are going through any struggle, this charm is a symbol of courage and the spirit of womanhood. We are giving it free. It's only to the first 50 customers that we have. So please visit us at ornijewels.com and you can WhatsApp us as well on 8600 718 666. Thank you so much for watching.